Welcome to Color Studio. In this video, I will show you how to edit architectural preset in Lightroom Mobile. Let's see before and after editing. First, go to Light, exposure down -0.40, -10 for contrast. Highlights down -46. Shadows to +30. White down -26, black +16. Go to curve, follow the steps. Color, temp +2, tint +4, and 18 vibrance. Go to color mix. First, go to orange color, hue -4 and saturation +14, luminance +44. Next, go to yellow color, hue down -20, saturation +42, and luminance +58. green color, hue +14, saturation down -2, and luminance down -2. Next, go to blue color. Hue +2, saturation +24, and luminance down -36. Next, go to color grading. Do highlight, hue +52, saturation +26. Midtones, hue, +218. Next, go to Effect, Clarity +21, and +36 for dehaze. Next, go to Vintage, amount down -25. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Color Studio, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.